Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy RCMrtnz and welcome to another episode here on my channel. So for today's video, I want to talk about how I organized and planned my vloguary, my daily vlogs for the month of February. So if you're interested, let's get on with this video. Okay, so first and foremost, the first step is to actually deciding that you're going to be uploading a video every day. And because I did it last year and I was able to pretty much do it, after that, my YouTube channel was just all over the place. I wasn't consistent. I didn't upload every month. And now being 2020, a new decade, I wanted to challenge myself and put that goal to go back and upload a video every day for the month of February. I already knew that I was going to California. So 1 week off, I was already shitting bricks just because, like I mentioned in a lot of my videos, I have my system or my setup at home, my computer. I could have it on my laptop, but I just feel more comfortable doing it on my PC. What does that mean? That I had to plan myself what I wanted to upload. First and foremost, I started planning 2 weeks into February. So mid-January, when I decided I was going to be doing that, I started just writing down ideas on my notes on my phone. I started writing down ideas of videos that I wanted to potentially do. That was the first step. Obviously, the next thing is, it's one thing to start brainstorming ideas for videos, but if you're not gonna spend the time to record the videos, then it's pretty pointless. So I made it a thing to start just recording in my car, taking advantage of seeing my family, my cousins, my friends that wouldn't mind being in a video, to actually telling them, we're meeting up this weekend. I'm gonna bring my camera and we're gonna record some videos. Throughout the 2 weeks getting to February, I was able to record a lot of videos. I didn't have an idea of what kind of videos I wanted to post throughout the week. So what I ended up doing was I found this template on Excel and I started putting all the days in February, the potential video that I wanted to upload. Then I did like a drop down, or that was part of the template, and I changed it to, let's say, pitching or pitched on that specific day. That means that's just the idea that I was having. Then I started going through all the videos in my computer, putting everything down, but I wanted to put the names of the videos that I recorded. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but on Saturday, which was the 1st of February, I decided that was going to be the question of the week. Sundays, just because I realized that I had a lot of old videos that I wasn't able to upload because shit happens, family happens, life happens, I decided to make Sunday a throwback Sunday video. Then on Wednesdays, I try my best to do like a more fun type of video, like a game, a challenge, a tag. And then the rest of the days, it was just whatever came to play. So I organized this spreadsheet and figured out what I wanted to edit. So this was pretty good because I knew what I needed to edit and upload before the date came. Going back to my trip to California, I had to make sure that by February 5th, I had an additional 7 videos edited, uploaded into YouTube, and scheduled for their certain days. How did I do that? A lot of commitment. Every day getting to February 5th, I made sure that I edited for at least 1 to 3 hours. If I was able to finish one video, I would start the next one. It took a lot of commitment, a lot of organizing, but I got it done. I feel like in order for me to be successful on my YouTube for this year, I'm gonna continue using this template. I think it's pretty amazing knowing what you've already uploaded or when you want to upload it. I'm already starting to plan my videos. Right now, I want to do twice a week. I'm going to push for 3, and hopefully this works out and I keep on providing decent content for you guys. If you guys want to know more information as to the software or the template in Excel that I used for this process, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see anything else in terms of, maybe my editing skills, who knows, let me know. And I think I'm going to finish that video here. So if you guys enjoyed this one, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. This was your boy, RCMrtnz. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend, amazing day, and amazing night. Until next time,